In this video, learn how to vertically center text in text box in Word document. First, you need to click on the text box, and after selecting the text box, right click on the text box, and here you will see the option of format shape. After clicking on it, you will see the option of text option. Click on this tab, click on text box tab. You will see here under the text box vertical alignment. Right now the option selected by default is top. That's the reason the text appears at the top of the text box. You just need to click on the drop down and then select the option middle to center text vertically in the text box. In the second method, click on the text box. You will see here the option of shape format. Click on the shape format tab and you will see the option of align text. Click on the drop down and you will see the same option of middle text. Select this option to vertically center text in text box. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem.